Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Let us start a new topic of ESG, creating an ESG roadmap or ESG journey within the organization. So, to have an effective ESG roadmap, we need to have a structured plan, which will be like a step-by-step guide to develop the ESG roadmap and to integrate sustainability principles into organization's operation, strategy, and culture. So there are certain steps like defining vision and commitment, conducting materiality assessment, set goals and targets, develop ESG strategy and initiatives, integrate ESG into the business, building ESG capacity and awareness, implement ESG governance and oversight, monitor and measure ESG performance, engaging stakeholders and partners, report and communicate ESG performance, and review and adopt the ESG roadmap. So let us go one by one. Defining vision and commitment. In this step, we establish a clear vision and commitment to ESG, articulating by the why sustainability is important for the organization and its stakeholders. Also, we communicate the organization's ESG vision and commitment to employees, customers, investors, suppliers, regulators, and other stakeholders. In the second step, conducting materiality assessment, we identify and prioritize the material ESG issues or key focus areas or most significant materiality issues that are most relevant, that are most significant to the organization and its stakeholders. Also, we conduct a materiality assessment to determine which ESG factor have the greatest impact on organization's business performance, organization's reputation, and long-term sustainability. In the third step, we set ESG goals and target. So based on maturity assessment, based on materiality assessment and stakeholder input, setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound SMART ESG goals and targets. Also, we align ESG goals with the organization's vision, mission, values, and corporate strategic priorities. Fourth one is developing ESG strategies and initiatives. So, in this step, we need to develop a comprehensive set of strategies, initiatives to achieve ESG goals and targets. Also, identify key focus areas and priority actions across the ESG dimensions such as energy efficiency, diversity, inclusion, ethical governance, cybersecurity, stakeholder engagement, labor rights, human rights, etc. Next is integrating ESG into business operations. In this step, we embed ESG considerations into core business operations, processes, decision-making frameworks. Also, we establish policies, relevant procedures, performance matrices to support ESG integration and accountability across the organization. In the next step, we build ESG capacity and awareness. It's very important to design an effective roadmap for ESG. We provide a training, education, resources to build ESG competencies and awareness among all levels of the organization. We drive a culture of corporate responsibility and sustainability by empowering employees to contribute to ESG goals and initiatives. In the next step, implement ESG governance and oversight. So as I said earlier, to have effective roadmap, we need to have a strong governance and oversee. Establishing ESG governance structure processes to provide oversight, guidance, and accountability for ESG initiatives. We form an ESG committee or task force composed of senior leaders, board members, and subject matter experts to oversee ESG implementation and performance. The next is monitor and measure the ESG performance. We develop the key performance indicators and matrices to monitor progress towards ESG goals and targets. And next is engaging stakeholders and partners. So we engage with internal and external stakeholders. We collaborate with industry peers, NGOs, government agencies to address the shared ESG challenges and opportunities, to build the support for ESG initiatives. The next is report and communicate the ESG performance. So we prepare ESG reports and communicates to share progress, achievements, challenges with the stakeholders. We also ensure the transparency, accuracy, credibility, reliability in ESG reporting and communication efforts, adhering to the recognized ESG frameworks and standards. Next one is reviewing and adapting the ESG roadmap. So regularly review and evaluate the effectiveness of the roadmap, ESG roadmap, initiatives and performance against goals and targets. Also, we adapt the ESG roadmap in response to changing internal and external conditions, emerging trends, shareholder feedback, and lesson learned from the implementation. So, by following this roadmap, organization can systematically integrate sustainability principles into their operations, their strategy, their culture, and driving positive impact and creating long-term value for all their stakeholders. Thank you very much, friends. Let us start new topic.